city cat. I want a baseball cat.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another one from NADULA Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you, boo. Okay, so I'm back with a unit from NADULA Hair. This is a 24-inch 4x4. It's a reason for the season. The 4x4 closures is back and I'm ready for them. I'm so into it. This is a 4x4 body wave unit, okay, from NADULA Hair. Super beautiful, nice and thick too. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, lace in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. And then this is like the parting space so you guys can see. See that? There you go. Super cute. A lot of parting space. Nice thick hair. This unit is currently going for, I think, around $259 for 24 inches. But honestly, that's very, 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 very good. That's very good. This hair feels absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to spray down the lace because I can already tell she's a little bit light. But I'm going to I really want to curl this up really nice. I'm going to Welcome to Rockville. I actually just filmed another video talking about this. But Joe is playing there and, you know, I'm a groupie. And so since I'm going, I'm just trying to, like, maybe if I get my hair together now, get it prepped, put it in a suitcase nicely, then I don't have to do as much work when I get there. That's what I'm trying. So we're going to try that theory out, okay? But in the meantime, I'm going to get her together, okay? We already darkened her up a bit. I'm going to use my Infinity Pro Con-Air, okay, Beat the Pro. These are the 1-inch rose gold titanium curling iron. I want to throw some, I know how I am. I'm going to throw some curls up in her. But let me get her together. I'm really going to get her together. I want her to look, I have a certain look I'm kind of going for. If you're picking up what I'm putting there. And I'm going to see you on the other side.
All right, you beautiful souls, let's get into this NADULA Hair 4x4 transparent lace closure wig. It is pre-plizzed, okay, human hair unit, all right? I have this 4x4 unit in 24 inches. She's currently going for $251. But guess what, y'all? That could be broken up into 4 easy payments because they got clear pay, mother jumping Klarna pay, Afterpay, baby daddy pay, okay? Somebody's going to pay to get you this mini wig, honey. So don't you worry about the price point because they are going to get it together for you. 'Tis the season for easy wigs, affordable wigs, and good mammies having human hair, okay? And that's what NADULA Hair is providing us today. I'm going through and just molding this unit down. I found that personally my installs lay flatter, and when I take the time and do this, it makes it easier for me to wear these units glueless. That is the ultimate goal to me, so that's what we're going through and doing right now. So now I'm just going to go on through with my blow dryer, make sure we get all the bumps and the humps on up out of this unit, and so she can lay super duper flat, okay? Because we want a nice seamless install, and we're able to do that if we just take our time with flattening out this lace at the top. Once you do that, this unit is ready and ready to go. I'm choosing to put some curls up in her because y'all know how I do, okay? Y'all know your girlfriend, and that's what I'm getting into right now. So I'm going to go and complete the mold, and then I'm going to get these curls together.
Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with.
But did y'all pick up how I ain't put no glue on this? Y'all, these 4x4s ain't no joke. Okay? You know I like a little bit of big love, sex, and magic. There we go. That's better. That's more me. Yeah, way more me. So we didn't put any glue. She really doesn't need it. unit is absolutely positively perfect. Let me turn around. You guys let me know if you see my tracks. It feels a little thin in the back to me. Can you see my tracks? Oh, it feels a little thin. Let me know now. It feels a little thin in the back. I do have my hair kind of like wrapped up in a little bitty bun. But this is fire. Look at that, y'all. Fire. I'm really obsessed with this. Like, I'm really genuinely obsessed with the fact that you do not... I'm so happy about this. It's not even funny. Let me tell you something. These 4x4 units are coming for us this summer, okay? Because we're not trying to be high out here with the fucking, you know, laced ear to ear. We ain't trying to be doing all that. We ain't trying to be out here with the lace ear to ear doing all that, gluing and everything like that. We just want to throw, it don't want to go. I want a fitted cap. I want a baseball cap. And that's what NADULA Hair really came through and did. This is beautiful. Now, I do worry she's a little bit thin. A little bit, right? And I'm sure you guys will tell me, but look at this. Stunning. Like, really freaking beautiful, y'all. And we didn't put nothing there. No glue on. We ain't got no glue laying her damn nothing. She just living her life. Y'all see how shiny I am? I've been filming all night. Oh, Lord Jesus. My man hands. So, you saw all the goodies that it came with. I used my Infinity Pro Conair Titanium Barrel Curler, okay? With this beautiful comb to achieve this look. This came with the curlers, guys. I got these from Ulta. I'll leave the link below so you guys can check it out. But I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is the final look. Let the girl know what you're thinking. How do you feel about it? Is she providing? Is she love, sex, and magic? Am I giving the girls out of the Cherish video? Because that's the look I'm going for. Y'all hear my voice going? Oh my God, I'm at to shut up. If you have not already, bust down, okay? Take a look at my channel. Come through and join us. It really does benefit us to prep these units before we throw them on in the way that I've been doing with the molding and everything. It has changed my entire experience with wigs. So I hope you guys are taking some tips, learning some new things, learning some tricks, and I'll see, turning some tricks. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.